Hello guys, this is still April the 27th on Thursday. I got a package today, so I'm going to unbox this and we shall see what is in it. I did pick all 5 items last time out of my fix, so I'm really not looking to spend that kind of money again. So I'm going to be really choosy if I do pick something and see if there's anything I like. All right, we have our little goodie envelope here. So let's see what this has in it. Okay, my 71st Stitch Fix. Wow. Okay, everything in this box comes to $275. If you buy all of the items, you get a 25% discount, which would be minus $68.75, and then the whole box would be $206.25. So I think there's one pair of shorts and the rest are tops. So this is my bag. Bundle. Okay, let us see what we have. Okay, looks like first thing out of the box is a top. 41 Hawthorne Tiffany Tulip Sleeve Blouse in pink. And that is $58. Yikes. Okay, let's look at this. I seem to like it, as it does have sleeves. My arms aren't the greatest for sleeveless. It does have ruffles towards the top, so I don't know about that. But yeah, it looks okay. Okay, next thing is Mason and Bell Skylar Lace Detail Top in purple. And that is $44. Okay, this is sleeveless. Is it knit? Yeah, it's kind of knit. I don't know if I'm going to like it. It doesn't look very big. You know, I don't like tight things. So, I mean, I like it. It's got some embroidery type stuff on the top. A high-low with a little ruffle on the bottom. That's cute. So, I do like this. I don't know about the material. That's the only thing about that one. Okay, next. Paper Moon Annie Split Neck Sleeveless Blouse in blue. And that is $39. Most of these tops that I seem to be getting from Stitch Fix are basically the same type of top. Sleeveless, V-neck, you know. The only thing that's different is the pattern, of course. So they're the same kind of top. This has a kind of like an underlay, I don't know what you call that, over this. I like it. We'll have to see. So I do like that. Okay. Next one. Ooh, Daniel Rain. Karen Smocked Bib Blouse in red. And you know Daniel Rain is expensive. This is $66. This to me looks more of an orange. To me, this is not red. I mean, it looks exactly like I see on the camera. I do like it. It's got the detail around the top there. And this one also kind of has this kind of thing underneath it. I do like that. And you know me, I don't like red. So, but this is orange to me. Totally orange. It's not, I don't know where they get red. Okay, last thing. A pair of jean shorts. Now, I will say, I have been eating like a pig lately. I have. Today, I ate at Texas Roadhouse. Sunday, we ate out at a local place. I mean, I've been eating out like you wouldn't believe. I'm trying so hard, but stuff keeps coming up that I eat out. So, I do not hold much for shorts. Believe me. I have got to do something drastic or I'm just going to be a roly-poly all summer. Democracy, Elena, Absolution. Oh, I need Absolution. Cuffed Distressed Denim Short in indigo. Yeah, ooh, these are stretchy. I need stretchy. I'm not so keen, look at that, on those, on these cuffy things, but boy, that looks like a big butt, doesn't it? I don't want to think my butt's that big, but I know it is. I will try these on, and if I think that they're too tight now, but I think I could wear them eventually, you know, I wouldn't be opposed to getting something, but I'm just so full right now. I just ate literally about an hour ago, and I am like stuffed. All right, so there is my fix, and my stylist is Rachel again, and I really do like her. She has really picked out some great things for me. So I will give this a try tonight, and I will get back with you and let you know what I pick. I will say I like everything in this box. I do. The knit top is probably not going to work because I think it's too small anyway. But I'm not the knit type person. But I do like pretty much everything. So I don't know. I'm kind of gravitating toward this because I don't have anything this color. And I think it would go really good with a tan. This blue, although I love blue, blue's my favorite color, might be a little dark. You know, I like bright things. This pink, I do like this, and I think that would look good with the tan also. Actually, it would go good with my glasses. So I do like this too. So we'll just have to see. That other one is that, let's see. No, this is the knitty kind of one. And then you have this, which would go good with the tan also, but I don't know. We'll have to give it a try. So thanks for watching my unboxing of my 71st Stitch Fix. And I will get back with you and let you know what I choose. Again, I'm not looking for anything major right now because I just bought that last whole box. So we'll just see. I mean, if I get one top, a box, you know, that's still building my wardrobe up. So we'll have to give it a try. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I will get back and let you know what happens.